Hey there, folks. If you're an American Express cardholder, you're probably excited about all the perks that come with it, like rewards, travel benefits, and more. But did you know that setting up a PIN is a crucial step to keep your card extra secure? Whether you're using it for ATM withdrawals or online purchases, a PIN adds that all-important layer of protection against unauthorized access. Today, I'm walking you through the process step by step. It's quicker than you think. First things first. Make sure you have your American Express card handy, along with your online account details. Start by logging into your American Express account. You can do this through the official website on your computer or the mobile app on your phone. If you don't have an account yet, download the app from your app store or head to americanexpress.com and sign up. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Account Settings, or Security, section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for icons like a gear or lock. Here, you'll find an option for PIN management or something similar. American Express might label it as Set Up PIN for your card. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select the card you want to set the PIN for if you have multiple. Now, for the fun part, creating your PIN. You'll need to choose a 4 to 6 digit code that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Avoid obvious choices like your birth date or 1234. Enter your new PIN, then confirm it by typing it in again. American Express might ask you to verify your identity at this point, so have your card number or other details ready. It could involve a quick text code or security question. After you've confirmed everything, hit submit, and voila! Your PIN is set up. You'll get a confirmation message on screen or via email. Remember, always keep your PIN private and change it periodically for added security. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your account details or contact American Express customer support. They're super helpful. There you have it, everyone. Setting up your American Express card PIN is a simple way to boost your financial security. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there.